Everyone wants that aesthetic long hair look, but most of you are failing. You think growing hair is just about skipping the barber? Stop it. That's lazy. The longer your hair gets, the more it exposes your disgusting habits. If you don't change your routine right now, you won't look like a Viking, you'll look like a balding, greasy mess. Here's the 5-step blueprint. Pay attention or keep losing your hair. Don't complain when it starts falling out in clumps. Step 1. The scalp is not fabric. Your hair isn't a silk shirt. It's an extension of your skin. Dirt, sweat, and pollution build up every day, forming a layer of gunk that suffocates your follicles. Shampoo is not a miracle grow. It's just soap. Stop treating it like a magic potion. Stop scrubbing like an animal. Use your fingertips. And stop using hot water. Hot water is a death sentence for your roots. It strips natural oils and inflames your scalp. Use cold water or don't complain when your hair looks like dry hay. Step 2. The silent killer. DHT. Here's why your hairline is actually retreating. DHT. This hormone shrinks your follicles until they die. That's how man-bun dreams turn into receding nightmares. If you have a genetic sensitivity to DHT, no fancy shampoo will save you. Stop wasting money on growth soaps. You fight this from the inside. Use natural DHT blockers like pumpkin seed oil, green tea, and saw palmetto. These aren't suggestions. They're your hair's defense system. If you're not using them, you're inviting DHT to take your hairline. Fix your chemistry. Step 3. Lock the shield. Shampoo cleans. Conditioner protects. Shampoo opens the cuticle. Conditioner locks it down. If you skip this, your hair is vulnerable to everything. Do not put conditioner on your scalp. Your scalp makes its own oil. Apply it to the strands only. Then stop rubbing your head with a rough towel like you're starting a fire. You're snapping hair fibers and causing split ends. Pat it dry. Use a microfiber towel. And if you use a hair dryer on hot, you're cooking the protein in your hair. Use the cool setting or avoid it completely. Step 4. The oil mite. You don't need to soak your scalp in oil every night. Your head already produces enough oil. Adding more creates fungus, dandruff, and clogged pores. Use 2 to 3 drops of oil on your strands only. Stop greasing your head like a frying pan. And styling products? Keep wax and gel away from your skin. If you style in the morning, wash it out before bed. Sleeping with product is a fast track to thinning. If you're too tired to wash your hair, don't complain when you wake up with a receding hairline. Step 5. Feed the animal. You can buy a $100 shampoo, but if you're eating trash, your hair will look like trash. Hair is 90% keratin, no protein, no hair. Eat eggs, nuts, healthy fats. Your body won't grow hair if it's starving. And the final boss? Stress. High cortisol tells your follicles to shut down and fall out. Sleep 8 hours, calm your mind, and take care of yourself. Long hair is a commitment, not a hobby. Fix these 5 things or go back to the barber and get a buzz cut. Commit or cut it. Subscribe if you want the truth, or keep scrolling if you want to stay mediocre. See you in the next one.